teeth whitening at home. Want naturally white teeth without spending hundreds of dollars at the dentist? Today you will discover scientifically proven teeth whitening methods at home using simple ingredients that cost less than $3. I will show you in detailed 3D animation exactly how these methods work at the molecular level, the precise techniques dentists recommend, and the critical mistakes that damage your enamel. By the end of this video, you will have a complete teeth whitening system you can start using today. This information is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional dental care. Always consult your dentist before changing your oral care routine, especially if you have sensitive teeth, gum disease, or dental restorations. The science of tooth staining. Before we discuss whitening methods, you must understand why teeth become yellow or stained. Your tooth has 3 layers. The outermost layer is enamel, a hard, translucent white surface. Beneath enamel is dentin, which is naturally yellow. The innermost layer is the pulp containing nerves and blood vessels. Tooth discoloration happens in 2 ways. Extrinsic stains form on the enamel surface from coffee, tea, red wine, tobacco, and colored foods. These staining compounds contain chromogens, pigmented molecules that attach to tooth enamel. Intrinsic stains occur inside the tooth when dentin darkens or develops a yellow tint from aging, medications like tetracycline, or excessive fluoride during childhood. The good news: extrinsic stains respond extremely well to home whitening methods. Intrinsic stains require professional treatment. Most people have extrinsic staining, which means home methods will work effectively for you. Method 1. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. The most effective home whitening method combines 2 ingredients, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. This is not a new discovery. Dentists have recommended this combination for over 50 years. Here is exactly why it works at the molecular level. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive with a Mohs hardness of 2.5. Tooth enamel has a hardness of 5 on the Mohs scale. This means baking soda is soft enough to avoid scratching enamel while being abrasive enough to physically remove surface stains and plaque. Baking soda also creates an alkaline environment in your mouth with a pH of 8.3, which inhibits bacterial growth that causes plaque formation and yellowing. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizing agent. When you apply 3% hydrogen peroxide to stained teeth, it breaks down into water and oxygen. The oxygen molecules penetrate the porous enamel surface and break the chemical bonds holding stain molecules together. This oxidation process literally bleaches the stains from inside the enamel structure. This is the exact same chemical process used in professional whitening treatments, but at a safer, lower concentration. Here is the precise recipe. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 3 drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 8 drops of water. This creates a paste with the ideal consistency and concentration. Never use hydrogen peroxide stronger than 3%. Higher concentrations like 10% or 35% will burn your gums and damage tooth enamel. The whitening strips sold in stores often contain 10% hydrogen peroxide, which is why they frequently cause sensitivity and gum irritation. Application technique is critical. Dip a soft bristled toothbrush into the paste. Gently brush your teeth using small circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes maximum. Focus on the front surfaces where staining is most visible. Do not scrub aggressively, let the chemical action do the work. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water for at least 30 seconds to remove all residue. Frequency and timeline. Use this method 2 to 3 times per week, not daily. Overuse can wear down enamel. You will notice visible whitening after 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. Maximum results appear after 4 to 6 weeks. Method 2. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice dating back 3,000 years. Modern research confirms its effectiveness for oral health and teeth whitening. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research found oil pulling as effective as prescription chlorhexidine mouthwash for reducing gingivitis and plaque. Here is how oil pulling works. Take 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Swish the oil vigorously through your teeth for 10 to 20 minutes. This seems like a long time, but you can do it while showering or preparing breakfast. The swishing action pulls bacteria, toxins, and plaque from between teeth and gum pockets. The oil acts like a magnet, binding to lipid membranes of bacteria and physically removing them from your mouth. Coconut oil contains 50% lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid with powerful antimicrobial properties. Lauric acid kills Streptococcus mutans, the primary bacteria causing tooth decay and plaque. It also destroys Candida albicans, a fungus causing oral thrush and bad breath. By eliminating these microorganisms, oil pulling prevents the bacterial biofilm that makes teeth appear yellow and dull. After swishing for 10 to 20 minutes, spit the oil into a trash bin, never into your sink, as coconut oil solidifies at room temperature and will clog your drain. Rinse your mouth with warm water, then brush your teeth normally with toothpaste. Use oil pulling daily for best results. You will notice fresher breath within a week and visible whitening after 3 to 4 weeks of consistent practice. Method 3. Activated charcoal treatment. Activated charcoal has become extremely popular for teeth whitening, but most people use it incorrectly. Let me explain the science and proper technique. Activated charcoal is regular charcoal that has been heated to extremely high temperatures in the presence of gas. This process creates millions of tiny pores in the charcoal structure, giving it a massive surface area. 1 gram of activated charcoal has a surface area of 500 to 3,000 square meters, equivalent to 6 tennis courts. This porous structure gives activated charcoal powerful adsorption properties. Adsorption means molecules bind to the surface through chemical attraction. When you apply activated charcoal to teeth, it adsorbs tannins, chromogens, and other staining compounds from the enamel surface. It also adsorbs bacteria and toxins that contribute to plaque formation. Proper application technique. Purchase food-grade activated charcoal powder from coconut shells, not wood or coal. Wet your toothbrush thoroughly. Dip the brush into charcoal powder. Very gently brush your teeth using circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Use minimal pressure. The adsorption is a chemical process, not mechanical scrubbing. Your mouth will look completely black, which is normal. After 3 minutes, let the charcoal sit on your teeth for 2 additional minutes without brushing. This allows maximum contact time for adsorption. Then rinse thoroughly with water until all black residue is gone. Brush again with regular toothpaste to remove any remaining charcoal particles. Critical warning: use activated charcoal maximum twice per week. Despite claims that it is gentle, charcoal is abrasive. Excessive use will wear down enamel over time. Never use charcoal if you have crowns, veneers, or bonding. It can scratch these materials and cause permanent damage. Method 4. Proper brushing technique foundation. No whitening method works without correct daily brushing technique. Most people brush incorrectly their entire lives, which causes enamel wear and gum recession that makes teeth look more yellow. The 45-degree angle technique. Hold your toothbrush bristles at a 45-degree angle where teeth meet gums. This angle allows bristles to clean the gum sulcus, the small space between tooth and gum where plaque accumulates. Plaque in this area hardens into tartar, which appears yellow or brown and cannot be removed by brushing. Use gentle circular or elliptical motions, never horizontal scrubbing. Horizontal scrubbing creates abrasion lesions on enamel and causes gum recession that exposes yellow dentin. Brush outer surfaces, inner surfaces, and chewing surfaces of all teeth and spend at least 30 seconds on each quadrant of your mouth for a total of 2 minutes minimum. Brush twice daily, after breakfast and before bed. Never brush immediately after consuming acidic foods or drinks like citrus, soda, or wine. Acid temporarily softens enamel for up to 30 minutes. Brushing during this window wears away softened enamel. Instead, rinse with water and wait 30 minutes before brushing. Toothbrush selection matters enormously. Use only soft-bristled brushes. Medium and hard bristles damage enamel and gums, causing recession that exposes yellow dentin. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months or when bristles become frayed. Frayed bristles are ineffective and harbor bacteria. Electric toothbrushes with oscillating rotating heads remove 21% more plaque than manual brushes, according to Cochrane's systematic reviews. If you can afford an electric brush, it is worth the investment for both whitening and overall oral health. Nutrition for white teeth. Your diet directly impacts tooth color. Certain foods naturally clean and whiten teeth, while others cause rapid staining. Foods that naturally whiten. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, celery, and cauliflower act as natural toothbrushes. Their fibrous texture scrubs teeth while chewing and stimulates saliva production. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense system. It neutralizes acids, washes away food particles, and contains enzymes that break down staining compounds. Strawberries contain malic acid, a natural enamel whitener. Crush 1 strawberry and mix with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to teeth for 5 minutes once per week. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down plaque and remove surface stains. Cheese, milk, and yogurt are rich in calcium and phosphorus that strengthen enamel and help remineralize early decay. Strong, healthy enamel appears whiter than weak, porous enamel. These dairy products also contain casein, a protool that forms a protective film over enamel, preventing staining compounds from attaching. Foods and drinks to avoid or minimize. Coffee and tea contain tannins that cause severe staining. If you must drink them, use a straw to minimize contact with front teeth and rinse with water immediately after. Red wine is highly acidic and contains chromogens that stain deeply. White wine is equally damaging because its high acidity erodes enamel, making teeth more susceptible to staining from other foods. Dark sodas contain both acid and artificial colorants that double damage teeth. Even diet sodas are highly acidic. Berries like blueberries and blackberries contain intense pigments that stain enamel. Tomato sauce, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and curry are also high-staining foods. The vitamin C connection. Vitamin C is absolutely critical for gum health. Your gums are made of collagen, and vitamin C is required for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C deficiency causes bleeding gums, gum recession, and eventually tooth loss. Healthy pink gums frame your teeth and make them appear whiter. Consume at least 90 milligrams of vitamin C daily from citrus fruits, bell peppers, broccoli, strawberries, and kiwi. Advanced protection strategies. Immediate post-consumption rinsing. After drinking or eating anything that stains, immediately rinse your mouth with plain water for 30 seconds. The simple habit prevents staining compounds from binding to enamel. Keep a water bottle with you throughout the day for this purpose. Use staining beverages through a straw positioned toward the back of your mouth. This minimizes contact with front teeth where staining is most visible. Use reusable silicone or stainless steel straws for environmental responsibility. Advanced protection strategies. Continued. Daily flossing is non-negotiable. 40% of tooth surface area is between teeth where your toothbrush cannot reach. Dark stains and plaque between teeth destroy the appearance of your smile, even if front surfaces are white. Use waxed dental floss or interdental brushes once daily before bedtime. Slide floss gently between teeth in a C-shaped motion around each tooth, going slightly below the gum line to remove hidden plaque. Common mistakes that damage teeth. Avoid these critical mistakes. Never use undiluted hydrogen peroxide stronger than 3% concentration. Professional whitening treatments use 10 to 35% concentrations under controlled conditions with gum protection barriers. Using these concentrations at home causes severe chemical burns to gums and irreversible enamel damage. Do not brush immediately after acidic foods or drinks. Wait minimum 30 minutes. Do not use whitening methods more frequently than recommended. More is not better. Excessive whitening erodes enamel and causes permanent sensitivity. Never ignore bleeding gums. Bleeding during brushing or flossing indicates gingivitis or vitamin C deficiency. Unhealthy gums recede and expose yellow tooth roots that cannot be whitened. Address gum health first before focusing on whitening. Final summary and call to action. You now have a complete science-based teeth whitening system. Use baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste 2 to 3 times weekly. Practice oil pulling with coconut oil daily for 10 to 20 minutes. Apply activated charcoal maximum twice weekly. Brush correctly at 45-degree angle with soft bristles for 2 minutes twice daily. Floss every night. Eat crunchy vegetables and ensure adequate vitamin C intake for gum health. Rinse immediately after consuming staining foods and drinks. Results require consistency. Visible whitening appears after 2 to 4 weeks. Maximum results take 6 to 8 weeks. Visit your dentist every 6 months for professional cleaning and oral health assessment. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Health Science 3D right now. We create detailed 3D animations explaining exactly how your body works and how to optimize your health naturally. Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Write in the comments which whitening method you will start using today.
baking soda paste, oil pulling, or activated charcoal. Write in the comments which whitening method you will start using today: baking soda paste, oil pulling, or activated charcoal. Share your results after 2 weeks. Your comment helps other viewers and supports this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more 3D health science.